no. We're not recording this.
Come on.
I don't even know how to do this.
You just put a hole in the bottom of it. At the bottom of the can. I wouldn't use the one that has lasagna shit all over it.
Oh my God.
Usually the real fucking players use keys.
I don't have a key. Oh my God, I cannot believe we're recording this.
Just stab a hole in the bottom of it.
Do it, Brad.
Yeah.
Now, put it in your mouth. Hurry.
Hold on, no, that's not how you do it.
Yes.
There you go. Now you just put it up against your mouth and you open the top. No. You put the hole up against your mouth.
Open the top. Go.
You gotta make that hole big.
Alright.
Oh, this is dangerous.
You need to edit this whole scene here.
You may die.
Oh,
Oh, that's enough. Oh, that's good.
I'm gonna cut myself. It's alright though.
Now you just open the top and then shotgun it down.
Oh my goodness.
That's how we roll.
Are you okay?
I'm gonna cut myself a little bit, but it's fine.
Did you get some blood in there? That's pretty
You want to
bad.
do number 2?
Do it!
Oh, he just cut himself. Don't make
Why are we wasting
We're
time?
wasting time here. Let's just do this thing right.
You need to use a key.
No, you need to get the Oh, gee, he's gonna die. This is fun.
I messed up just a second ago.
There.
You gotta really get it in there.
There, I got it.
See, the hole needed to be bigger.
Can't handle it.
Hole needs to be bigger.
That's a fail right there.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ, man. This is stuff that I keep from getting a job.